Today we'll talk about how can you enable visitors notifications on your Waplog app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on this sign down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do next, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications. So you come to next step here. Then you come to visitors. Click in this sign. So like you see here, this color show for us. That's mean here visitors enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe. Thank you for your watching.